Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to use Chat GPT. In this video, I will show you how to get the most out of this powerful language model. The San Francisco-based business that developed Chat GPT is OpenAI, which Elon Musk assisted in co-founding back in 2015. In November 2022, the company made ChatGPT available for public testing. By the end of the January, ChatGPT had an average of 13 million daily visits. ChatGPT has been used by users to compose everything from essays to songs and even to fix a computer code. ChatGPT is a component of the emerging field of artificial intelligence known as Generative AI, which enables users to produce original text, music, and video content. Businesses and the general public are now unsure about what widespread access to AI will imply for the economy and society. Under a week, the AI model is crossed over 1 million users according to OpenAI's CEO. To start using ChatGPT, you will need to open a web browser, and in the browser, type openai.com. Open News Type by clicking Try ChatGPT. If you already have login, then click on Login button. If you are logging in for the first time, you will need to sign up. After this, you have two options. One is to continue with Google or enter your email ID and set a password for it. A chat window will open after logging in, and you can ask questions there. Hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to generate its response. You will see a written answer appear on the screen.